Like, on your wedding night.
This is what I'm about to make explode.
Oh, God, yeah. Picture this. You guys are on the honeymoon. Okay?
That works.
Just had hours upon hours
Sweet.
of sex without me or Dennis in the house for a change. And you're falling asleep in one another's arms, cozying up to you. And he's like, Gene, in the part of the vows we said for Richard or for Cora, what are the former?
God, he would have left them there.
He would have. Whoa, running low, I see. Great, I'm gonna take your last beer. Loss and possession. Death and life are one. This falls no shadow. It shines no sun. Blair fell. Who's that? I don't know, but it's an excellent quote I put on the Red Zinger box. Thought it was appropriate. Shall we? Oh, that's it, dude. I am so getting married. I mean, this chick made out like it was her bar mitzvah. Why? Dude, she's got like 6 of them.
What happened? I exploded it! You walked away and it exploded?
Yeah!
Okay, shut the camera off.
You know what? You're just such a blatant.
I wonder if I got that.
You must have gotten it.
Oh, isn't that cool?
You make it at a total waffle party because we.
I told you it was an explode.
But you didn't see it. You had your back to it.
No, I was just going over to see it and I was like, what's this hole there? It goes. But like the camera was right there, so hopefully I'll get it. Okay. Now, review.
Dennis, you're scaring me, man. Put the woman down. Yeah. No. Did it ever occur to you that maybe she don't want to sleep in there without Brady? Did it occur to you that I'm holding her right now? Seriously, sir. I'm much stronger than you need. I don't want to.
I wish I knew how to stop a recording.
She's out. This is totally your fault. Clean this up.
Oh my god, I wish I knew how to stop recording.